Hey, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my crafting room. Today's tutorial is about sailor bow, but not an ordinary sailor bow. With border on the edges, this sailor bow looks unique and gorgeous. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start from choosing your fabric. I've made this sailor bow with cotton and satin. If you're a beginner in sewing, try to use cotton fabric. This fabric size is 60 by 7 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half. Grab your ruler and measure 3 centimeters. Draw a line to the corner. We are going to cut the bow shape. Next, prepare a long strip of fabric for the border. This fabric width is 2.5 centimeters. If you can hardly cut this little strip of fabric, try to use ribbons. Any ribbon will do. Place the border on top and bottom of the fabric. Take this to the sewing machine and sew this part. Leave a little longer than the fabric. Fold the fabric away, then press the fabric flat down. Repeat on the side. Once again, fold the fabric away, then press it. Prepare another larger fabric. I would say the larger, the easier to sew. Sew all around the fabric and leave a gap in the middle. Cut the excess fabric. If you love making hair accessories, consider subscribing and check out my previous videos in this channel. Can't find something you want? Comment below and I will make a short video of it. I like YouTube new feature where I can reply a comment with shots. Be careful when you cut the corner. After cutting, turn the fabric through the opening. Use something pointy to push from the inside. Press the fabric nice and flat. Now fold the fabric in half. Mark the exact center. I use my favorite fabric marker. Purchase link is in the description. Then measure 7 centimeters to the left and right side. We want to make a nice and tidy bow, so measuring is the key. You can see the mark here. Lay the fabric flat down, then fold the fabric with the mark as the guide. I don't want to mess up the fabric. Secure it with fabric clip. Now gather the fabric in the center with needle and thread. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. take away the fabric clips. Prepare your hair clip. I use 8 cm for half updo and 10 cm for ponytails. Attach with hot glue gun. Finish the bow with a small piece of fabric. 12 by 5 cm is enough. Fold in half and sew this part. For turning small fabrics, loop turner is my favorite. Slide it inside, hook the fabric, and carefully pull it out. Attach this to the hair bow and sew this part for the last time. If you can move the needle to the left side, do so. Would be much better. Cut the excess fabric, flip it over, add some glue to make it stays in place. That's it. Our beautiful sailor bow is finished. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you find it useful, give me a like and subscribe to support this channel. Any questions? Write in the comments below. See you in my next video. Bye!